Hello, everyone. I'm Warren. Recently, I was planning to renovate my restaurant. A friend recommended a Thai restaurant to me. He knows the owner, so let's go check it out. The weather is pleasant. The M.Thai Street Food Restaurant located in Alpharetta, Georgia. Here we are. The signage at the entrance is easily noticeable and helps us find the restaurant easily. Now it's 4 p.m. and it isn't crowded. I have called the owner, introduced myself, and expressed my interest in visiting her restaurant. This time our main focus will be to observe the restaurant's decor and layout. We start by exploring the outdoor dining area, which is pretty nice. The tables and chairs are made of iron and had a palapar color. The setup is nice and stylish. Most importantly, the furniture looks sturdy and durable. The chair backs are breathable, and the tabletops have drainage grooves that does not hold the rainwater or spilled beverages. Upon entering the Thai restaurant, you are greeted by a reception desk, a wall mural on the right of the entrance, it depicting Thailand's scenic landscapes and delicious food. To the left, there is a display cabinet decorated with imaginative fresh flower arrangements, while above it hangs a vintage totem that adds a touch of nostalgia. Before looking around in the restaurant, we greet the owner, who just finishes answering a phone call.
Hey Molly, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Doing well, doing well. I know your restaurant has been around for a while, right?
It's
So
5 years.
5 years. Okay. How's the business going?
It's good. It's not to pre-COVID levels yet, but it's slowly getting up.
Okay, awesome. I heard that the food here is pretty authentic.
We try to
Thai
keep
food.
it as authentic as possible, but if customers do want to make changes to the menu, we do accommodate as many changes as we can.
Okay. The reason you call it street food is that something from real Thailand flavor or cuisine.
Yeah, so a lot of Thai and Asian cultures in general, we do dine on the street. So a lot of everything that we eat does come from the street. So it's not the normal or the commonly accepted dining restaurants that we see in this country. So a lot of the people who do eat regularly, and we do eat out a lot too, because it's fairly affordable in Thailand, but versus the culture here. So we try to translate that into a restaurant setting in this country.
Awesome. So I know your menu, the recipe is very important, but at the same time, what do you think the furniture package plays a role in your business?
So we try to keep it very classy here, even though we sell street food, it's an elevated form of street food, and we try to incorporate the colors and keep it very minimalistic here, so it's not overwhelming to guests.
Awesome. So how do you like our furniture package?
Oh, it's great. It's great. People love it. They come in here after, after COVID times, and they say, oh, change up the furniture. And we try to keep a fresh face to the business.
Great. I think you have a very good taste when you select the color of material and also the style of the booth and also the tabletops.
Yes, exactly. So we already kind of have an existing color scheme to the restaurant, and I was trying to maintain that scheme essentially. So that's why we picked the color that we did. But still try to keep it muted.
Okay, great. And very last, you agree to this short interview and also the filming?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
The owner tells us that all the tables, chairs, bar stools, and booths were sourced from the same supplier and assembled by them. The material of the booths is her choice, and she is pretty proud of it. She tells us we can go to the website Seating Dock to see more products or contact the supplier. There are a small bar area. Now let's go check it out. Moving from the bar area, there are the booth seating sections. We sat at the bar and took a rest and look around. The intricate hollow design on the wooden chair backs caught our attention. The owner explained that customers could choose their preferred color combinations for the chair and the cushion, booth upholstery material, and the booth style. Overall, this visit at M.Thai Street Food Restaurant went smoothly. We were impressed by the restaurant's interior design, especially the harmonious blend of colors, customized furniture, and carefully selected decorations. So I will go and take a look at the website seating.com. Okay, see you next time.